Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is Nowsite's newest feature, or I guess upgrade for their website builder, the Nowsite Marketing Website Builder. And we're going to go over it and show you what the improvements are and if you like it or not. So far, I like it. I'm going to show you guys step by step what to do. Skipping a few parts. Well, I guess it's not really step by step, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like so you can actually see in real time and in action what an actual demo of the new website template looks like. I'm pretty sure that you'll like it, so we're going to dive right into it. So what you see right here is actually the Nowsite Marketing's front office and back office, front office. And this is actually the website section. I have some websites already created, websites, capture pages, landing pages, funnels, sales funnels, marketing funnels, things like that. Actually just regular pages that just says, hey, thank you. So because I get a limited amount of websites and landing pages and capture pages that I can create with this subscription. So it's lovely to have because I can do anything on the fly and right then and there have it. The reason why they did this is and added this new template is because yes, the old template was cool and everything. It gave you a basic website, but for someone who's coming on, I guess the expectations is like, we want something a little bit more with a little bit more pizzazz and a little bit more the website feel, not just a blank slate. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like and how to actually create it and what you got to do to get it. So with that, we're going to start with where it says add new, and you click, it says create a new website. So obviously you're going to put the business name. We're going to go through each one: website, language, website URL. Yes, you create URL, domain, industry, and subcategory. So for this one, it says your business name will be used to automatically populate the website and email newsletter. Yeah, she comes with that too. Choose a name so you can easily identify your website and your account. You might have more than one website for the same business. Language, your keywords and social media, social marketing posts will be provided in your chosen language. Website URL. Customize your new website's domain name. Try to include your business name and keep the URLs short. Pretty simple, right? Industry. Choose the industry, category, and subcategory most relevant to your business. This selection will optimize your optimize your website's layout and ensure that a highly relevant social marketing posts, period. For best AI results, do not change your section unless absolutely necessary. What I mean by that is that for the AI to work properly, when you turn the AI portion on, you want to have, because it's a learning thing. It learns as you post and then it learns as you work it and use it. So the more it has time to watch and see what you do and the reactions and the results that it gets, it can learn and generate more better content for you. So it wants to have a longer time frame to be able to learn. So that's all it is. But you can change it if you want to, so don't freak out. But so we're gonna do this. I'm actually gonna skip through this whole part. So 1 second while I'll get everything set up and ready to go. Okay, and here's everything. I put some test stuff on it so you can see the business name. I put some random stuff in there. Put your actual business name in it when you do yours, or if you decide to do yours. Website name, like I said, this is all just random stuff I put in there, but actually put your website name so you can identify it. As it said, language is English for me, but put your English that you prefer, that you speak, that you want to identify with. What else? Website URL. I just did some test YouTube. Industry, I'm going to put Nowsite, and subcategory marketing. So with that, I'm going to click next, and it's going to generate the template. And there we go. So we're going to go over this and show you guys everything what it looks like. Without anything changed, I'm going to see if I can actually preview this. Let's see. I guess I can't. I guess I gotta go ahead and. Well, let me see. Go back. Let's see what we can do. Let's go to website name. No, I guess not. Okay. Well, I thought I was gonna do it right there, but hey, no problem. So we're gonna. So what you see right here, you can actually do stuff. You have that's the form right here. That's where is that? Customer form. That's that. It says welcome to the Nowsite. But hey, you can actually put your information, any kind of information you want, whatever you want to say, a little blurb right there, and that's go from there. Here's a perfect place to offer your website's visitors some free content in exchange. This is giving you tips and telling you what to do. Very nice, right? So you're not just like lost. This also allows you to follow up with your website visitors through email or SMS. That's the form is key. The form is good for leads. Headline, you can put a picture there if you want. That's the background. Video demo, so you can actually have a video. Title of your video. A button. So it just tells you everything, like what section is everything. And this is the new template, and they're actually, from what I hear, don't quote me, but from what I hear from a good source, is that they're going to come out with multiple templates that you can choose from. So don't quote me. That can change, but I will get in as soon as you can, because of course they always grandfather people in and give them the heads up and give them the little taste, the first access to sometimes. So title of your video, here you can add a description of your video. This will help your website visitors learn more from the video that they are viewing. Give your video viewers a call to action. Once they watch the video that you share with them, you can always tell them to click on the button to join in your business, register for an event, or learn more about your business. You got product names, add your own text. You basically just like a little image gallery. Add your own text and description of your product in the section or service. And then a little bit about me. And then you have a contact button. So it's nice right there. Put your own picture. Don't put the Nowsite nerd picture, but if you want to leave it there, you can. A little bit about me right here. It says, hi, my name is so-and-so. Give your website viewers a brief background of who you are and what you do. Because people do business with people. People don't just do business with websites. Anybody can just go to a website and just like click on something like that, but people do business with who they relate with. Add call to action here. This is a great place to tell website visitors how they can get started with you. Call to action button. Feature blocks. This is a feature block section. Allows you to place content side by side. Nice little button right there. Picture. You know, this is just a demo. You can always change things. Like I can click on this, change it up, and just with a click of a button, I can go in here and edit stuff. You know, very simple. Like blah blah blah. You see how it's actually editing right there, but I'm going to cancel that. And then you have like a little gallery, picture gallery, so I can go in here and change that. Boom, boom, see, like that. Very simple. Then here, little contact information. Put your logo right here. Show social media, phone number, all that good stuff. Email address. If you want to put your address on there, you can. And yeah, down here you got terms and conditions. Over here, you see all this. It's pretty cool, guys. I mean, honestly, so you can actually put your own terms and conditions in there. So that's very nice, extremely nice. So this is actually very nice. I actually really do like it. So I'm gonna see if I can actually do something. Let's see. Can I preview? You know what? I think I gotta change something. I'll see if I can preview something. Test. Test, test, test. Testing, preview. Okay. I wonder if I can. Okay. So, let's say I want to go over here, and then I want to save. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to preview it. And boom. So this is what it looks like, the template. Without me changing anything, I just only got to change was that right there. So you see all this. You have the where you get the form. That's right here. Video. Get started. So that could be your own personal video. It's a basic website, guys. It's a nice, fluent template website. People can get information from you, and it's great. Call to action. It's lovely. So that's what I'm talking about. It's a great feature. Nice little thing to get you going. So you have something to go off of. So you're not just lost. Granted, even if you didn't have something to go off of, they still have the Nowsite Nerds. So you actually use that in that feature or Nowsite Marketing Pro. So either or, you're good to go. So you no longer have to feel lost with marketing online. You're no longer alone. You can actually get all the help you want. You get all the assistance you want. You're no longer lost when this comes to building your business online or building your brand online. That's what's amazing about this whole platform. When I say it's truly the first all-in-one online marketing platform powered by AI, artificial intelligence, with that human interaction and human intelligence touch, it truly is. I mean, and it's constantly getting better, guys. Constantly. I cannot, from what they started off with, leaps and bounds, and it's only getting better. I mean, and the price keeps on going down. I mean, I don't know how you do it. Like right now, it's $47, but hey, if you get going today, if you see what you like what you see, you want to get going, I can do a little special deal for you today. Just contact me. I can get you $25 off the $45. I mean, the $47. So let me know, because I'll get you a special promo code for that one. But yeah, man, if you like what you saw, hey, feel free, or you have any questions or concerns, comment in the comment below, or you can give me a call or contact me on my phone directly. That's my cell phone, my personal line. My number is actually in the description below, or hit me on my social media, either Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. I'm on all of them, guys. Hit me on Messenger right there. It's all in the description below, as well as my number too. So if you have any questions, concerns, I would be more than happy to answer them. If you want to take advantage of the $25 off promo, let me know. We'll get you going. Contact me, put it in the comments below, or text or call me, either or, guys. So if you like what you saw, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that big red button below, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell, and click the all on that bell, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one, so you might want to check out this one too. So with that, guys, hopefully you get some good value from this one. Hopefully you see something you like, and hopefully I'll be hearing from you guys soon. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.